I'm going to show you how you can add a shadow to your text with Phonto. So let's open the app, then we're going to select a plain image. We're going to use this one, and then we're going to add a text. Then tap on done. We're going to change the color. We're going to add a stroke so we can see better the effect. And then here's the shadow. Here's the main topic of this video. Right here on the bottom, you're gonna tap on this one right here on the right side, then tap on done, and then you're gonna get your effect. And if you want to increase it in a very easy way, you only have to tap on the text, look for this menu right here, and then tap on this one, and then you're gonna have to place it on top of each other, and then that's how you increase the effect. And now we're gonna save the image, and this is the final result.